Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on iPhone. If you can find an app on your iPhone, it might be hidden. In this video, I'll show you how to locate and unhide hidden apps quickly using different methods. So the first method is to check hidden apps in settings. So open Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General. Next, you have to select iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap Hidden apps. So it may require Face ID to unlock it. And in here, you'll now see all apps hidden on your device. So I have one app hidden, and that's Agoda. Now, method two is find hidden apps in App Library. So go back to your home screen, swipe left until you reach the App Library. Now, scroll the way down and tap the hidden folder. Unlock it using Face ID. Now, this reveals hidden apps that don't appear normally. Method three is to unhide the app. So inside the hidden folder, press and hold the app. Now tap Don't Require Face ID. Now this will unhide the app. So method 4 is to search the app normally. Go to the search bar and search the hidden app. Now the app should now appear like normal. And that's it, you now find and unhide apps on your iPhone. This is super useful if apps seem to disappear or are locked behind Face ID without you realizing it. And that's it, thanks for watching.